A 250 milliliter volumetric flask holds 250 milliliters of liquid when filled, so the bottom of the meniscus touches the calibration mark. A volumetric flask is made to measure exactly one volume, so you pour until the curved surface of the liquid, called the meniscus, sits on the tiny line on the neck, and that gives you the stated volume. The neck is narrow, so a small movement of liquid changes the height a little, which makes it easy to be precise. Think of it like a tall, skinny picture frame that only fits one size of picture perfectly, not a stack of different sizes. Chemists and students use the flask when they need the same amount of liquid every time, for example, when making solutions that must have the correct concentration. People often overfill and then try to pour out until it looks level, which leaves the volume too large, so always add dropwise until the meniscus reaches the mark. Another common mistake is reading the mark from above or below eye level so the meniscus looks higher or lower, so get your eye level with the calibration line before deciding. Some forget to rinse the flask with the solvent or solution, and leftover residue can change the concentration, so rinse with the solvent and discard before making the final fill. For more videos and resources on using volumetric flasks and other lab tips, visit www.gumballdegree.com.